Hey guys, it's a Flat Natural here and I am back with another video. So welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So for today's video, you guys, I am going to be showing you 5 styles that I do on my locks with this beaded style in. So if that is something that you're going to be interested in seeing, stay tuned. So for this video, I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to be showing you guys the style and I just want to get right into it. So let's go. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. Let me know what you think of these styles. If you have any more styling ideas for me, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video.